Hi there, welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. We're into new places, new perspectives and new technology. Yesterday we had a wonderful day at Lakeside Raceway where Cooper was doing a track day on his motorcycle. It was loud, it was boisterous and it was fun. Last night I stayed in my rooftop tent and enjoyed a bit of camping here outside Ipswich because there was something else that I really wanted to do. I was convinced about this push bike because I was told about these great rail trails. They've been closing old railway lines and they've been creating out of that space these tracks that are gravel, that are wide and they're relatively smooth and certainly flat because that's the way trains go. So the start of these trails is right here in Ipswich. Start of the Brisbane Valley Rail Trail, and they're opening up everywhere and they're running all sorts of places throughout the country, but this is the start of the one here in Brisbane. So I thought I'd take advantage and I'd come here, spend the night here and do a bit of a trail. As you can see here in this map, we're down here in Ipswich, but you can run all the way out to Yarraman. We'd ride our motorbikes out past Somerset Tam and they were always fantastic runs for us. So it kind of had an appeal to me that I could try this on push bike. And as part of this you can do little bits or you can do lots. I'm probably not going to do very much today. I just wanted to get out and see what it's like. It's going to be a warm day, so let's sheet on and get into it. It's gravelly roads, really smooth. They look fantastic and it certainly is a beautiful way to start this little journey. Let's sheet on.
Well, here I am at Fernvale, 25 k's, and I'm only halfway. This is where I turn around and start to head back. The first 6 k's were basically just tar, just pavement. It was easy. You know, lots of people walking dogs, people just out for their normal commute. About 6 k's turned into gravel, and again, smooth gravel, but not very difficult. As I went on, there are a couple of more spicy bits, as you can see here. But going slow and just taking it easy, negotiated that without any fuss at all. First bit I saw more red-bellied black snakes than I did people. They were happily scampering away, having heard me, and they had no issue with them at all. Starting to warm up today, I think it's going to be quite hot, so I've got a drink, I'm going to take in some fluid, sheet on, and head back.
Well, that's it. 50 k's done and dusted. The start of the Brisbane Valley Rail Trail. Hope you've enjoyed this journey. If you did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. That'd be totally awesome. Thank you. And until next time, smooth sailing.